Searching for the best laser measuring device feels like wandering through a maze of identical specs. Every product claims high accuracy, long range, and easy use. But which ones actually deliver when you're measuring a room, checking furniture fit, or working on a job site? The real difference isn't in the flashy ads. It's in the details most buyers never notice until it's too late.
Product number 1. Rockseed 50M Blue Laser Measure. Let's start with the Rockseed 50M, a budget-friendly laser measurer that punches above its weight. At just under $16, it's one of the most affordable options here, and it comes with some surprisingly solid features like dual bubble levels and IP54 dust and splash resistance. If you want reliable home measurements without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual bubble levels help keep your measurements level, something you'll appreciate when hanging shelves or installing cabinets. The plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy is solid for indoor use, and it measures up to 165 feet, which covers most homes and small job sites. The backlit LCD helps in dim lighting, and you can switch between meters, inches, and feet instantly. Plus, it stores 20 measurements and auto shuts off to save battery. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, especially if dropped from height. Here's the thing though, for casual DIYers or renters who aren't tossing tools around on a construction site, it's more than durable enough. And at this price, replacing it isn't a big deal. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner, DIY enthusiast, or a student who needs accurate measurements for projects like flooring, painting, or furniture layout. Skip this one if you're working in harsh outdoor conditions or need industrial-grade durability. For under $16, it's an incredible value.
Product number 2. Bosch GLM 100-23 100-foot Blaze. If the Rockseed's plastic feel gave you pause, the Bosch GLM 100-23 brings serious brand credibility and German engineering. Bosch is known for precision tools, and this one delivers with a clean 2-button layout and a bright backlit display. It measures up to 100 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, ideal for tight spaces and professional-grade results. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The simple interface means no confusing menus. One button measures, the other rounds to the nearest fraction, perfect when you're working fast on trim or cabinetry. The display is brighter than older Bosch models, so you can read it in dim basements or garages. It also runs on AA batteries, which are easy to replace on the go. Now, some people expected a longer range for the price, especially since it tops out at 100 feet. Here's the thing though, that range is plenty for most indoor tasks, and Bosch prioritizes stability over max distance. It's built for consistency, not bragging rights. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, handyman, or serious DIYer who values reliability and brand trust. Skip this one if you frequently measure large outdoor areas or need advanced features like area calculation. It's a no-frills workhorse that gets the job done right.
Product number 3 was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for pros. The Bosch GLM 165-40 Blaze Pro. This is the upgraded version with a 165-foot range, real-time measurement mode, and IP54 rating for dusty or wet job sites. At $68, it's pricier, but it's built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The real-time mode adjusts measurements as you move, super useful when checking ceiling heights or long walls. It calculates area, volume, and indirect measurements using the Pythagorean theorem, so you don't need a calculator. The backlit display is crystal clear, and it stores 10 measurements for quick reference. Now, some people were frustrated that it doesn't include batteries. You'll need to buy AA separately. Here's the thing though, this is common in professional tools, and most users already have spare batteries on hand. It's a minor inconvenience for a major upgrade in performance. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, architect, or real estate agent who needs fast, accurate measurements on job sites. Skip this one if you only measure once in a while or hate carrying extra batteries. For professionals, this is a worthy investment.
Product number 4. Hodo 98-foot USB-C Laser Measure. If you're tired of replacing batteries, the Hodo Laser Measure is a breath of fresh air. This sleek, credit card-sized device is USB-C rechargeable and packs a surprising punch. It's stylish, compact, and even won a Red Dot Design Award. But it's not just looks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The OLED screen is energy efficient and readable indoors. and it delivers plus or minus 2mm accuracy, perfect for furniture placement or room planning. It charges via USB-C, so you can top it up with the same cable as your phone. Plus, it syncs data in real time if you use the app, which is great for logging room dimensions. Now, some people found the 98-foot range limiting for large spaces. Here's the thing though, this tool is designed for indoor mastery, not construction zones. If you're measuring apartments, offices, or doing home decor, it's more than enough. And honestly, the portability makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy homeowner, interior designer, or gift giver looking for a cool gadget. Skip this one if you need rugged outdoor performance or extreme range. It's a modern, convenient tool for everyday precision. Product number 5, Rockseed 328-foot red laser measure. We loop back to Rockseed, but this red model goes the distance. At 328 feet, it's the longest range option here, and it keeps the same dual bubble levels, backlit screen, and 20 memory storage. At $21, it's still affordable, but now with serious reach. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're measuring a warehouse, large backyard, or open floor plan, that extended range gives you flexibility. The accuracy stays at plus or minus 1/16 inch, and the IP54 rating means it handles dust and light rain. The mute button is great for quiet environments like libraries or offices. Now, some users reported the laser can struggle in direct sunlight at max range. Here's the thing though, that's true of most consumer laser measures. For shaded or indoor use, it performs flawlessly, and for the price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a property manager, event planner, or DIYer with large spaces to measure. Skip this one if you only work in small rooms. For under $22, it's a steal for long-range accuracy.
So, which one should you pick? The Rockseed 50M is the best budget pick for casual use. The Bosch GLM 100-23 is ideal for pros who want simplicity and reliability. The Hoto is perfect for tech lovers who hate batteries. And the Rockseed 328-foot wins for long-range value. Each has its strength. Pick the one that matches your space, style, and budget.